Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, inspiration for low-carb and keto-friendly recipes, featuring this delicious salmon cooked to perfection and glazed with a sweet and savory maple pecan topping, caramelized in Truvia brown sugar, keeping this dish at only 5 grams of net carbs. And I'm so excited to show you step by step how it can very well become one of your favorites as well. So let's get started, shall we? Welcome into my kitchen, guys. As always, a list of all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. Here I'm blending together black pepper, sea salt, and turmeric to season our salmon with. We want to dazzle a little avocado oil to coat both sides of our salmon, which will help all our seasoning adhere nicely. This turmeric is going to give our salmon a nice golden tint of color. Beautiful. Sprinkle on the seasoning and massage it over the entire surface, front and back of your salmon. Then we'll set it to the side. Allow time for all this seasoning to marinate while we go over and prepare our glaze. Here we have our whole pecans that we're going to chop into fine pieces using our mini food processor. And if you don't have a food processor, no worries, guys. You can place your pecans into a Ziploc bag and crush them using one of these tenderizer mallets or anything you can find in the kitchen, my friends, and you will get the same result. Use what you have and work what you got to get the job done. Be careful while you're processing, not to process too long. This is what we're aiming for right here. In a small saucepan, we're going to melt down 3 tablespoons of butter. We are turning to our low-carb Truvia brown sugar that will blend well with our sugar-free maple syrup to create the most tasty caramelization for our pecans, and that's going to turn this salmon into something so magical and delicious. Stir until your glaze begin to bubble like this here, and pour in your crushed pecans. Combine everything together well. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a half a cup of lemon juice, either freshly squeezed or bottled 100% juice, as long as it has no artificial flavors added. Stir and cover. This can continue to simmer on low heat while we head on over to our salmon. Avocado oil has a higher smoke point than olive oil and can withstand heat much better without burning, so we're going to go with a half a cup of avocado oil along with 3 tablespoons of butter until it boils like this, which lets us know that the temperature is high enough for us to go ahead and add in our salmon. Depending on the size of your frying pan, if it's larger or smaller than mine, you'll need to adjust the amount of oil accordingly. Your salmon shouldn't be completely submerged in your oil. Once the color at the bottom of your salmon turns from pink to a whitish color, you can go ahead and flip that baby over to the skin side. Look at there. Do you see that beautiful golden tint from the turmeric? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, food just makes me happy, y'all. Your glaze should be nicely caramelized by now. Go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of water to your glaze and pour it over your salmon. Chop some fresh parsley and sprinkle it over the top. Using the buttery juice from the pan to base over the top like this. Yes, just let all that flavor dwindle down and over your salmon. It groups together nicely with a side salad. You know, becoming more health conscious about what we feed our bodies is so imperative for you living out your best life. Videos are uploaded every week. If you want more delicious, healthy, low-carb recipes like this, then subscribe now and click on the notification bell so I can inspire you to eat healthy, eat your way to good health. Hearty shout out to all my existing subscribers. You know I appreciate you. And to the new subscribers, type new subby in the comments so we can give you a personal warm welcome. All right, guys, love you so much, and know that God loves you more. See you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Bye.